Hi, and welcome to Incredible Food. Today we are cooking Asian-style chili pork belly. You can find the recipe in the description. In a pot, boil water enough to submerge the meat. Add star anise, bay leaf, and black peppercorn. Cook the pork for 30 minutes or until cooked. Once cooled, cut the pork into even slices and keep aside. In a pan, heat some sesame oil and fry the pork till nice and brown. Keep aside. In the same pan, heat a teaspoon of sesame oil, add fine chopped garlic and chopped green chilies. Sauté for a couple of minutes. Add in pepper and cook for another minute. Now add the dark soya, rice vinegar, and chili flakes. Once the sauce starts to bubble, add the pork belly slices and cook till sticky. Add chopped spring onion and finish with toasted sesame seeds. Enjoy with sticky rice or on its own. Thanks for watching.